Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 screws securing the housing. Remove the screws using a 5/16 hex bolt head or a simple Phillips head screwdriver. They do not need to be fully removed, just loosened. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF3216 filter into the housing. Match the shape of the filter to the housing. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the screws. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.